Day 41, a new week. They just keep on coming. See if we got any trades. Short-lived assistance for the Japanese yen on Friday as the US dollar does climb against it again. Not quite back at the highs, but probably will be. Starting to see the Australian dollar drop on these charts here. The US dollar, the Canadian dollar, and the Swiss franc. Still eyeing some potential divergence to come. If you look here on the Swiss franc chart, there's a good chance here. We just need to see the drop in the next few days. Still a little bit of a way to go, but if we can get a 2% drop, we'll be in. Same on the Euro Aussie dollar. Big push on the Euro today. Pretty close here, only about 0.2% away, and plenty of room for the divergence on the OBV. Okay, no trade entries for us tonight, but that Australian dollar looking promising. If it can just get a bit weaker, give ourselves a chance. We could even get 3 or 4 trades on the same day if it really pushes against it. We can only hope. Day 42, let's get through those charts. And we're seeing those previously promising looking Australian dollar charts reverse yesterday's drop. You can see it again here against the dollar, again against the CAD, again against the Swissy. So not putting us close to a signal there. Same on the Euro Aussie dollar, but this is still definitely in contention for a trade if we see a big push up for the Euro. Same for the pound against the Australian dollar as well. You can see a lot of space on the OBV. It just needs that one big push. One of these green candles right here would do the trick. No actual signals for us though. Back tomorrow. Day 43, looking for those trades. The dollar coming down against a few of these currency pairs. We're seeing price move back towards the average. Same on the pound, even on the yen. Sadly for the Aussie dollar as well, really pushed away from that divergent signal we were hoping to get previously. Aussie dollar up around about 3% over the last 2 days. What had once looked promising. Same on the CAD, even bigger bump. Euro pushes to new highs against the CAD, but OBV at a high too. No signals tonight. Day 45, the end of week 9, we did miss day 44, but we're back in action now, seeing if we can find that signal. Yeah, these Aussie trades heading back towards where we want them to, but still going to need quite a drop to get there. Euro Australian dollar still doesn't need quite as much. This is the one that we're eyeing at. Could be a signal to come here, but not yet still. A lot of the time we do finish our strategies after 9 weeks, and this isn't going to be too much of an exception here. But what we are going to do is look for one final signal. We're going to keep with the strategy until we do get that signal, just because it could still tip us into profitability. That is something we would want to see. So we'll give it one more chance and we'll check back in to see how that final trade is done for us. Whenever it may come, days, weeks, months, years, we'll be checking, we'll be waiting, and we will hopefully be winning. Alrighty,